Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I think we've got a pretty weird knife to unbox. Now that, we kind of expect that from Rike, but I looked up a picture of this, and it's pretty wild. So, I'm going to open this up and react to it initially with you guys. I'm going to share that experience with you. Thanks so much to Rike for sending this knife in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I'll link this knife down into the description. It's almost certainly available. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. So today's video, of course, should be obvious by the fact that I'm opening a box for the first time. Is an unboxing, but I know that there are people who are still, for some reason, confused between my unboxing content and my review content. The reviews will say review in the title. The unboxing content will probably be a picture of a box and me opening a box for the first time, which would make for an awful review, by the way. But anyways, it's all right. Even retailers get confused by that, so I guess I'm partially to blame. Whoops. Gosh, what's wrong with my hands? Hold stuff much? Okay. So what is this called? The Bakutuk. Bakutuk. I don't know. I'm almost certainly not pronouncing that correctly. Yeah, so this knife looks like it was made upside down and in a mirror. And I know that sounds strange, but it'll make sense here in a second. I don't know what this goes to, but there you go if you want to use that. Probably just the website, right? Okay. Oh, boy. What in the heck? Obviously going to be kind of a polarizing design. Wow. What on earth? Big, almost NASCAR signature across the back here. This is a blasted blade. Oh, wait a second. Does this, the video I saw, I was looking for the gold thing, and I just realized that this might, oh, wait, oh, is it a puzzle? Does it, can I pop it in place like this? Am I doing this right? I feel like this is where I saw, does it go on the other side? No, it can't. It can't. It has to go this way. Okay, I'm almost certain. I think what this does is it turns it into like the Emerson wave thing. Boy, the tolerances on these pieces. There we go. I got it. Yeah. I don't know that I love that because no, I got it all the way in. Yeah, it doesn't feel perfectly secure. I mean, there's a lot of material going through a lot of material. But if this is supposed to, let's just open it. What the heck? See what I mean? Like it looks like it's supposed to be, the edge is supposed to be down here, but the edge is up here. How? Like this? Is this how we're supposed to hold it? Boy, I don't know. I am not sure. Am I supposed to, like, do I do like the backwards cuts? This is so bizarre. Oh, it's a frame lock. Okay. So, can you reverse flick it? Yeah. Not really, because the thing gets in your, this gets in the way. Obviously, this is designed as a self-defense knife. And I know people get upset with me because I don't know anything about self-defense knives and I can't like properly. Number one, you're right. I don't know anything about self-defense knives. Number two, I'm glad that I don't, because in the self-defense knife community, absolutely none of the professionals agree with any other professionals on the most optimal way to defend yourself or use a knife in an offensive situation. So I would prefer to stay out of that rat's nest. But as a simple boy, a simple jack, what is going on with this clip? What on earth? This is an integral. Hold on. My brain is like, there's so much to take in here. Okay. But yeah, almost certainly self-defense. Just real quick, what do I have in here? The shark, I forgot what I was carrying. So this is meant almost certainly to, yes, that's exactly what it does. I know you can't see. I did that. Just trust me. I did it exactly right. This is 100% designed as the sort of an Emerson wave or unicorn horn kind of thing, where as you pull this from your pocket, it automatically deploys. Pulling it out with the ring does not put me in what I would call the most optimal position to immediately use the knife. However, just trying to imagine like a really tactical scenario, right? Yeah, no, you'd almost have to pull it like this and then go here, I guess. I don't know. God, is this how it's intended? No, it's intended like this. Or, yeah, surely. I don't know. Why is the clip so frail and weird? Is it supposed to be like that? It's a little springy. Maybe it's quick release? I guess. Yeah, it's totally separate from the piece that's actually keeping it in place. How strong is this? Can I pop? Well, okay. I was pretty critical of this initially. Can I get that back out of there? So I don't like that there's play. Like, here, listen. Like, I can feel it moving around. But admittedly, is this, do you lift up? Oh, there we go. So that must be how you get it in and out. So this, it has little cuts here. These are relief cuts to get this to pop up. And then you probably just pop it back out. But I can't really, there we go. Okay, so that's how you do that. And then when you push it back in, I bet that pops down. Yeah, you can see it. Yep. So it will stay in place. Okay. I don't know exactly how much force. I mean, me just pushing on it, I couldn't get it to come back out, but you do clearly have to push up on it to get it to release. So it's probably held in there with a little bit more force than I realize. Still don't like that it's got a little play. This is utilizing external stops. You can see are there little nubs? Yeah, little tiny, just barely visible indentations to house the stops in the open position. Just barely. Gosh, it reminds me of the Grinch and when he realizes and he's like, oh my gosh, I've done a terrible thing, right? He's looking down on Whoville and his heart explodes out of his chest and here goes the sleigh and it's tipping over the edge and he's like, no! That's what it makes me think of. It's just barely, it's almost going over, right? Frame lock, steel lock bar insert. What is this screw? That's for the pocket clip. Okay, so it can be left or right hand mounted. And then what do we have for the blade steel? Probably M390 Forever Steel. Oh, it's Rike Forever Steel. Hey, guys, why did you write this on the blade like that? That is so weird. It's like, is it like a photo op, like for a promo, like in the middle of defending yourself of the, like you're fighting bad guys and they're like freeze frame and they take a picture and it's like, like anime shine, Forever Steel. Yeah. Like, why is this there? The knife is bizarre, and obviously not everybody's going to love the aesthetic, but I don't know anybody who's like, yeah, you know what? It'd be great. Take your, whatever your brand name is, can you write it in like giant cursive letters all the way across the blade? That's my favorite thing. That's weird. Why did you guys do that? Outside of that, really interesting design. I got to admit, I've never seen anything like it. And as far as I know, it will work really well for self-defense. I just don't know anything about that. I will carry it and I'll give you guys my thoughts. I'll get a little more information on the design and the exact purpose of it. You have to guess here because this is the first time I've ever handled it. And I'll return with a complete comprehensive review if you are interested in watching that. But I think that's going to be it for today. This is a very strange knife and almost certainly an expensive one. It is M390, by the way. There you go, right there. Okay. Please, like I said, I'm going to have this link down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. and have a great day.